Good morning, everyone. Now it's take two. My internet's been acting up this morning. So I want to talk about dress code. I want to talk about the time that my husband was leaving our daycare center, and in the infant room we had an employee, I want to say it was about 7.5 years ago, and she mooned my husband, and yeah, that was not good. Yeah, I got a phone call and I was like, he's like, you better get in that classroom now. Well, we had already told her a couple times that we thought she had low cut pants and that she was probably going to have to fix it. Well, he went to back out of the parking spot and the baby room window was right there, and she bent over and she mooned my husband. Yeah, not good. So I did go in the classroom, and to find out, her relative, who she also worked for on the side on the weekends, took her shopping right after that because they had the same problem at her store. You would think they would know too. No one wants to see someone's crack. Let's be real. Even with the daycare kids, sometimes we've got some kids that their pants don't fit right and stuff, and I'm just like, can you just please find a store that they fit? No one wants their little kid run around mooning everyone, and I don't want my employees doing the same thing. So anyways, that relative took her shopping, made her buy long tank tops to go underneath her t-shirt so that would not happen again. So that was fixed. Let's just say that employee did not last very long. The common sense wasn't there. Sometimes when they're book smart and you think they have common sense and then something happens, you realize that there's a lot more training that you have to do, because that was the same employee that hit me in the head with a half door. And I'll never forget the day the employee hit me in the head with a half door, because you thought common sense would be there. And it wasn't. I was subbing in the baby room and we had a half door from the kitchen, and I was sweeping and I had bent over to put the dust into the dustpan with this broom, and the next thing you know, I went to stand up and the employee opened the door. It hit me in the head and I'm sitting there going, ow, that hurt. And she's just talking like she never even hit me in the head. And I've got my employee behind me, mouth dropped like you just hit the owner and the boss in the head. Never apologized. But then again, this is the same girl that mooned my husband when he was leaving the daycare center because her pants were too low. So make sure that your kids, we always try to talk to the parents if their pants are too low. I don't want my kids mooning my other daycare kids or me all day long. And it's sometimes a hard conversation because obviously it's not in licensing rules, but we also do have to follow dress codes. It's just like outside right now. We put the kids in closed-toe shoes because of the sandals are starting to pop out and stuff. And I don't want the rocks and stuff getting in and all that and them getting hurt and everything. But anyways, that's my crazy story about dress code and making sure that my staff wears appropriate clothing. And I actually do have a dress code that they have to follow. It's just that her pants, her low-cut jeans were just too low. So anyways, I hope everyone has a great day. Hi, Olga. Thanks for watching. Hi, Holly. How are you today? I have to get to work. I actually have a new hire there right now that I've got to go through her paperwork. So I'm on my way out the door. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.